All right, let's look at the homework 1.4, problem number 2. All right, so we want to use the vertical line test to determine whether this graph is represents a function of x. All right, so let's do that. So this is just a simple application. All right, so we can just draw a vertical line. If it intersects more than once, then it fails the vertical line test. All right, so we find the easy one here. Here's a vertical line. All right, and you can see that this particular vertical line is going to have more than one, actually two intersection points. Therefore, it fails the vertical line test. So it is not a function. All right, so let's answer that. All right, so hopefully we have the choice there. So nope, it's not a function of x. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.